Yo, what's up? I know about that. I just say, yeah, I can't hear what I say straight up. Let me see. Yes, like that. I believe pay. Achimota. I hope some can hear there. Yeah, I can't hear no. Me check guy be. Yeah. Dimogo, another Dimogo. Yeah, oh yeah, you know. But some game to show ye. So if you come out and aba, you be fa ponako. So they make sure. So much chance say who do has it. You should say me who na yeah. Yeah, let me see. Okay. That's it. See. No. Yeah. Straight up. The shop no more feel. I hope someone in trade come on so. Shop no more fair. Haircut, piercing, facial makeups. Yes. Okay. I crab Emma. Yeah. The Koyama wife, what I say. You glass of phone, you do say you're and Pabua. If I show me, I see me and Komachi. Oh, yeah, if you're crossing your born here to get you know. I ran Pabua, I don't run Pabua.
I just try to take it out and do it, they take it back, and there's no scope to do it. So unless money come out, you buy me one, okay?
I'm running Pabua now. Joe, hanya jira kwa. Observe home church amo. Straight up. Yes sir.
Charlie.
Bema nangasa ni. Ona wo shahana why you did this
Charlie.
Why did this Jao hi guy. Ama man for sha kra me ba hamba be mu ti wase, what I say. Bibia bi wa. Brother church me ni mani so
Oh, Charlie.
Who was you with you?
Anna, so you tinas of us or shoot you, or shoot you. I say,
okay.
Anna say, when you so if you will be
a thing.
And so Upagana and Futuro Wahano. Yeah. When you know, it is steamy when you want to wipe it all the, you know.
Nice one.
What I say?
I will chill level. Straight up.
Anna wins, you know,
yeah, check Rogo.
Tower woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were in the name of massage. As I say.
Well, I almost say fix the country. Fix yourself. You didn't come on across Sanama, yeah.
Oh, commodity fix the country.
Bro, can I sit here? Can I? Okay, thanks. Okay. Jack, me say me Baba Slawa, I see. Now my meeting some me. But I say on social media, they be afraid they didn't come across Sanama. Ebi anu bi ni mo, obebo din so.
Yeah, so I want him JB the Mogo.
Sa.
Omo woni me na JB.
Straight up.
On Facebook no. US for Germany for. So I want him there. Yeah. Salemati so aba wa ko kuma sa happy birthday.
O cha sa ha akra boarding on ja. The go share class or there is for mo where the ma. Sa
yeah.
Na dia na go so Ghana boga.
That's why when you say they almost say I don't fix the country, then I fix the country.
Yeah.
And they the demonstration and what person more deba.
Na country mo fix here.
Charlie, it's a country they you are when a running country no.
Sa.
Your institutions be
okay.
Police for your money, civil servants your money, president here.
Yeah.
Who are we on my banner crown also I said yes away. But I say and I wouldn't say Usi a dying. Na say foundation ye weaker.
Yeah.
You was starting free a chance to damage. You started free foundation.
So
what I say?
Yeah.
And here any foundation.
Okay.
It is a first country media. Not ye vote you or moko.
Yeah.
And on after you why you are doing you won't say no, maybe your man papa. May patriotic.
Yeah.
It's a new taxes. Police need to let me check. I mean, yeah, the SME, and that's a water show here.
Yeah.
And when you can't woman to say a bar nearby.
Okay.
That's opposition. Ever churches can almost start demonstration. Now it's starting demonstration. The moment ice cream kilo and the morning scan over the mind the two channel, but two are you mother.
Usually say opposition being a town much someone else.
Oh, your opposition. The same thing is on MPP.
Yeah.
A lose power, not NDC bar.
Yeah.
MPP survey this almost another strategy.
But I fix the country need the idea or say fix it. And
it would just say no one fix it.
Oh, said that. Okay, Mr. Minyard even sure. Let's just say you are in a house. When I have a panel of honor. Naga say bia we trainer father machine we are not touching it. As a father, no, you have to make sure say next time biano you are Baba tour and let's say Uber check say bia or the tour and found to be punished on Bibisa. Bibisa cost of my one. You punish you be more my moon. Obi did not to room, no corner baby. Nobody's checking anybody. What I say?
Yes, I say you will cry, be asking you and family.
Okay.
In your case, now we'll say a penny of penny of it.
Yeah.
Obi repeat it back, near penny of it. What I say?
Yeah.
Sagan and you also fix the country now to see a new Musa or two more like got them. Now the Chile police station now. Maybe I'm a neighbor who go on your back and say the Bonini.
Yeah.
Second, almost have a share bribe. Now when share bribe never will be agent. Maybe back Ghana may share Ghana for police for we breathe.
Yeah.
So shall we make us say, oh boss, we can wait and quay. And we are different than bribe.
Yeah.
But bribe in the Udi Bonia and I want to send our bribe.
Yeah.
And your nature.
Yeah.
It's them make can say, eh no correct.
Yeah.
And penny for the eh some make us say emrano eh juma.
Yeah.
One name doing say you can say IGP.
Yeah.
A president Anna a picking. Because as a police no, we are independent. It's a assemblage say the president Nelly Bonnie near the court police station. Only IGP needs to me. Okay. Now your president Nasa will pick IGP. Bonnie and I said the open for me to be able to control IGP. Now I said case we want to what I say? Yeah. Police is supposed to be independent. Yeah. But Ghana, because of time, I know cool this annual man. Say IGP, then you will be power to us. I have two ideas. So anything I'm on this power, I could say president. But I think it is about time I say this power every president is. Yeah. But bro, you start getting free foundation. Ghana for them, their problem by a pay solution. Yeah. I can tell you, say, face the country, you know, about 50% energy because we are by air trending. And yes, all solution. Yeah. Or PDB aka like movement. I comment it. Yes, starting free this week. When you am to aba, and your mind, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Why when they use our candidates, and your delegates? Yeah. But so I'm out. Delegates no more MPP ni NDC no. Do they pick based on competence and also omo pick based on Onipa or Whisker? Onipa or Whisker no more picking no. Yeah. It says MPP ni NDC kwani tomorrow. Yeah. It is me say delegates na can pick obi because of sika or not because of competence. And also good leadership skills. You won't share video and more fire. Okay. It's say yeah. Delegates already know they have set us on a bad path. Yeah. Because of my pick leaders are a sika of war. Yeah. What I say? Now, only by corner about your presidential candidates. If I say Mahama Nanado. Yeah. Also ufi kumase enti no uvoti ama nanado yeah because oya kani jinwo one ka say uvoti ama because say obetime rule o man no about 80% of voters Ghana e vote along tribal lines obi o ha o vote because say oye ewe runnings and a NDC yeah it's a what they appoint crisis suma NDC sir Obi so say MPP there eye account for there yeah enti no we den obetoma na bro these are your reasons why I want vote amani pan because we can na obana say on rule o man here after us face the country fix it yes starting free foundation yeah from the delegates na ba ye to aba because abana woto no e dey be ntina woto and bro one thing that people need to understand they say democracy Boni no dey buy and say before democracy meeting out here adwuma no and they say about 60 to 70% of the population go school yeah mami musa Ghana literacy level na yes oh high pa boga yeah go school no kra na say yeti asama sefa 18 na ye high ho ya kwa democracy aba Meanwhile, no democracy the entire the man say Kabima me kebi. The man say Kabima me ana Kabima me kebi na ina ya atendidi. Bro, what's the face country? Who could use public toilet? Who drew our own flash? No way, the next person will go on person better so. No, so a toilet a toilet in the chain. The next person will also have a also person room. No, so a toilet to book a gate. No, after the way through on, I just away a tiptoe. Now we review as I'm waking up a toilet. I'm out of a station. What I say, it's on a bed and another fix it. A bed and another fix it. Lady B cross street. Yeah. Our street no. Footbridge or yeah, but it to Facebook say a bed and another. Never want you. A bed and another fix side, bro. The CR a captain polo as MBC, you know. Almost your mom, yes, child services on which morning. It is CR your womb. So we'll cross the street, one for footbridge. Now, Bunny, I say you are endangering the kid. That's the local police station to one, but I said, I'm buying 3 morning. Yeah. What they ain't child ticket to? Yeah, more Timao, but Obana wouldn't make Chapel Musano. You make sure say, we walk with them 3 months. And also because I'm buying Timothy. Bro, at the end, you fix the idea is starting free foundation. Delegates and the AI vote. See, I say on how we vote. Yeah. There be see any.
And talk about the ministers. The ministers they need to stop lying to the community.
Oh, bro, in the community. See, one thing is
the ministers they are liars.
No, but bro, let me
because once they get the vote, they don't go back to the community.
No, ministers don't even get votes. Ministers are appointed. Yeah, but you are talking about MPs. But let me tell you something.
MPs.
Let me tell you something. There's a difference between
they shouldn't be appointed.
No, but here there's
the community to vote for them.
No, but here's the problem. The people are voting based on how much money they get from all
that bribery need to stop.
Kennedy Japan, Kennedy Japan because he takes care of school fees.
I was there. Like Abtufu.
I was there.
I love that man.
What I say?
It starts from the community, but the leaders have to do something.
No. This is not leaders.
The law, no. They have to make it strict.
Yes.
So that's it. The law has to be strict. When you enforce the law, follow the rules. Yeah. Like you said, police you want to say, and then they won't know. I don't know if you want to say, that's called bribery. It's one of the show. We're the family. And then 2 years. Yeah. So what I say, it's part of bribery. What should be there so any mistake? Deal with them. Give him a citation. Take him to court. But you don't take the money from him and put it in your pocket. You are not helping the country. You are not helping the country. Then you say, police you room they be a Nima, and I'm a bedroom and room they be a tomato soup, or to the police station inside. No, I catch your car and he said, park the station is here. Why are you telling him to park over there? Because you don't want to take a show to you take the country down. So what I say, so some change their attitude. And they have to give the city the right to see what they have to say. They said they want to protest, right? Peacefully. Let them do it. Why you send police over there to go get ready to spread them out?
But bro, I'm Musa Asemo. What's the CI you want to go and demonstrate? See the man here, man. Okay. Right now, the corona, yes, saying a corona era. So how can you say let's face the country? And because they war right to demonstrate, even though you didn't measure that was say, and you pass a demonstration, no. What's the boom running so? Now you have your demonstration. Meanwhile, what's I say and fix him now?
Okay.
And today here's the contradiction.
Okay.
There's no way one person gets a bribe. There's a giver and there's a receiver. The moment the giver stops giving, no, there's no corruption.
That's my point.
No, there's no corruption.
Because they need to fight. If he says
no citizen. Let me say.
But I'm here. So what I say. Take me to court. Police can't deal with me. So what I say. Like you said, you see, coronavirus era, right? But they were able to do campaign during coronavirus era.
Bro,
they was able to make them demonstrate for George Floyd. George Floyd is not a Ghanaian citizen. George Floyd is not a Ghanaian citizen, but they gave themselves to protest and demonstrate. During the campaign, they did rally every region. How come you say it's coronavirus? That's two-faced shit they're doing.
Okay, but hold on.
So give the people the right to do what they have to say. What they have to say.
No.
What's the coronavirus? How many police officers drive around with no mask on?
No, say.
When you go to Makola, how many people in the market with no mask on?
Say we'll be a campaign. Now we're a citizen. Now we didn't run a swap. Now we're so area. I need to say Say people now so na wasada na who say let's face the country. But obi be campaign na wo say who go di campaign. Me go di campaign achi. But mo say yan fix the country no. More na more corporate side no, bro. As simple as this.
But the president or the candidate supposed to the citizens, make sure you wear your mask.
No.
You get what I'm saying?
Bro, you are talking about a country.
No, in the States.
No, bro.
There was
demonstration about a country.
Black Lives Matter. Okay?
Yes, a lockdown.
Before another guy got shot, okay? They demonstrated. Every single of them was wearing a mask. Only 2% wasn't wearing a mask.
See, a crowd.
So let's say
it was a lockdown.
And the police officers
here. Or say I am a chest and lockdown there cost one. Only to give you us only people say the boyfriend a commanding and happy there where Johnny Asano. He actually said oh Kofia or say I am with me boy.
Bro.
You are living in the country
at the same time of what you are saying, okay? When China and the WHO gave Ghana a cargo plane of masks, they were not supposed to sell it to people. They were supposed to hand it over to the citizens. When the police officer stops you and you're not wearing a mask, you're supposed to offer you one and educate you. Not take your money and put it in his pocket. The police is supposed to fix that because they gave it to them to give it to the citizens, not to sell it to them. How many people can afford 2 cedis, 1 cedi to buy a mask? They know they can, but they sold people for them to sell it. That's wrong. In the States, when you're walking around with no mask, a police officer, a ticket agent, they'll give you 1 or 5 pieces, a ticket. Make sure you wear one. That's how they're supposed to do it. Not sell it to them or find their money and put it in your pocket. All the fine, when the fine goes, it goes to the police officer's pocket. That's wrong.
Only baby, tie. Look, me a citizen. Me person e besi me person e give me sika. Yes, me share mask. Me bia ma share mask. But when I share mask, na se e kwetro na se e twa weti ba, and I ma you got temu a. Ujina said that's not right.
That's not right.
Let me tell you something.
That's not right.
The mindset that Ghanaians have, right? Democracy ain't me ruling.
So we are going to rule it.
And my bo and the ruling Ghana for. Bro, let me tell you something. My brother sitting right there. He see a yaksina. Yaksin is a seer. At the end of the day, you go pay bribe. Me don't I mean you go pay bribe. Because do you know why? See, Obi Tse Malcolm X, Obi Tse Martin Luther. Because he believes that yes, black people, anyone found with you know. And do baby, yes, on the quarters, what never to so. What was a CR? So you near some CR, near no to come back and do you which your bride.
Oh, win to ya.
Oh, cast a wound here, bro. Maybe will be
in the country. So what right to traffic issue. So I said,
traffic issue.
Because it's okay, citizens are part of the problem.
Bro.
I agree with you 100%. The citizens are part of the problem. Last week, we got 2 years.
Bro, we are any traffic offense. I don't know if you're each other. Obaya said this is nonsense. It does not make sense. What I say? It does not make sense. Right? Claudio, it does not make sense. But the way I want to said this is nonsense, you know. Ghana no catch a police or this is nonsense. Only the fun say AFMD. It's one police abrocheni ni beka say this is nonsense, no. And one or more esoni I don't know call Cantabak. Or this all on the right or on the right. Oh, all right. But the body lecturer will say who insult Obia and require crime. Therefore, so all right, same adhesion the go Kotana come answer actually a predecessor. Actually,
an insult. But you know what? So as I said, this is lack of education because when somebody can insult you, it's not an offense,
bro.
Because if you insult me or you do something wrong, I will insult you.
No, bro.
So like I said, no. Insulting somebody is not an offense.
Okay, so what is
Trump? That didn't attempt.
No, let me ask you.
Prince Charles that didn't attempt.
What is defamation of character?
Oh, my nigga.
What is defamation of character?
My nigga, listen.
I'm sorry. Oh, the problem is Ghana constitution, no, you're penny reading. We don't say every action constitution, but you're penny reading. So what you make us
it's a drug laws.
Oh, can only make a defamation of character. Sad defamation of character. No, I have to show why.
Because all the judges are corrupt. All the judges are corrupt.
What I say? So here's the problem. My brother is saying we should follow the law. Law now we see him follow. According to the constitution, will be a boy, will be a passia. Only by one right. That's what the court. Also say judge they corrupt. We don't understand the constitution. Me don't say bro. Say a cassette. Yeah, ma and man ye juma wa Ghana. Ghana form papa. They will run. Omo go say room. They will run. Unim omo woti abocheri crime. Unim how many times Ghana for a committed crime. Obi a girlfriend in Yasen. No affair. Whoa, me say that's a threat.
That's a threat. That one I know is a threat.
They get away with it. Now how many times they see Ghana? Santo Kona Uli media be edging phone. I saw OJ me watch. I saw Tom. Or toy no this cano. My hair I mean no. And I'm at 10 I'm calling you and post season the phone. Me season the phone come and cop na come one bear 1 week. No so no papa. E why na police station ho na me dura. Me run police station ho na me say no. E person me report it na ofam running. Na o say dey sit here. Police ni bi tia no ho na o si o mumra. Ye ko ye na akware ka ye say yin nia no. No so o mu ye nia ko de na mu sort no a na hu nia say ko report it. Twade o ye sort no ha at the end of the day no. Ono no ye chia me ka no o de kakra fi no. Mia na me de man no. But twade o Sadia na wa ma ya nkwa ma mfa na anko report no obegusu ayes because onim say on the ya manfo a e den ya edu ha dey foolish case. That's the mentality people are living with.
And that's them kind. And that's them kind. They say Ghana for so obi eboni a like say enjama nyame. It's wrong. Obi eboni a also say how no anya na discipline. Because we say for nyame a obema some forgiveness is the same. So I said, so forgiveness is a sin. And you know what I said? Everybody's part of the problem. So I said, some has to fix yourself. How are they going to fix themselves? If you eat on the top, you have to strip the law, make it straight. Police, you put no bribe. Or I don't go action, but no court to deal with them. But when you stop, last week we pull you over. Now we go feed. Police, you pull you over. Driver baby back on. I see what commission 2 times. How dare you?
No,
and there's person in the car.
He has the right.
The right to say you should.
He has the right. Yeah.
That's because he's trying to park.
And I'm running. No.
That's because the driver is trying to park the car.
I say, see, the police officer is telling you.
He's not supposed to stand there.
No, he's the law. He can tell you wherever to park. The same way in a traffic light. Coswa. Police need to be jamming. Don't like I said, Monko, and I'm Monko. Police need every like I said, JPP, baby, I wanna don't move.
No go to traffic.
Yes, he has the power.
Yeah.
The same way that police need to go to Wasu. Oh no, he has been authorized.
To slap me.
No,
to let me do anything. Then he's gonna shoot me.
He has the power.
What power?
Bro, we are trying to.
Only in Africa.
We are
African mentality.
We are trying. See,
and police cannot just slap you for you to do anything wrong.
Listen, police has been given the right to use the necessary force. We are trying to educate people about sensationalism. Okay. I'm educating the people. Hold on. I said that police has the right to use the necessary force. The necessary force.
If you feel threatened, right?
No. Yes. No.
But what if he's not threatened?
Me a police officer. Me jina car in. My catcher said, don't move the car. You are moving the car, right? Right now you're moving. You don't know why I'm telling you to don't move the car. As you are moving towards me. I have to use the necessary force. It is shooting your tire, and I bet disable your car from moving now. I have to do that.
Okay, but the police was behind. The police was behind.
Make me use my baton on their ball. And no, police, all citizens want to be retaliated, but we are finding that we can court. I can say force now we use here. He used more force than any necessary. It is the only time all citizen who want to be police are prayer someone. I just want to court. But what to me as a police officer you do a plan it will authorize you. Approach the crime or a police officer. Who did attempt and I saw Ubutunu and I saw Libya. The same child that police knew the same thing. What I say? So all I'm saying is so about Ghana, if you think you know your right, but you don't know the constitution. Who could do what? I don't know reaction. They will read it to you now. But the same right? Ghana. What I say?
So let me ask you a question. So if I'm on Okada rider and I'm on Okada riding and there's a police barricade, right? Yeah. And he told me to stop. So if I stop, then he slapped me. Does he have the right to slap me?
Scenario, there is no, he has no right to slap you. But you citizen are more assumed. So what you will say, or one thing, now wait a minute, or no, he will end up shooting you. Or shoot you over court. Actually, will say, or about assume, and I will chase the can and so attack him, and he had to defend himself. What I say? Aha, it's men what they say. And police me has no right to slap me. It was slapping me, no. But you have more than I said, the dictatorship, attack him. You are mad and you are Ghana.
Okay, that's not right. I bet the police officer for slapping somebody. That's an assault. The person did nothing wrong. You cannot hit him.
Also, that's an assault, right?
Yes.
So assault, and a court, and you determine say assault. And I say,
yeah, but the court here is fucked up.
But ultimately, follow
the court is. How about the police is on their own court?
But the ultimately follow on
here.
But all I'm
states,
bro.
If the police is guilty,
Germany, and Ryan, and Ryan, right? Okay. But say I will get us. And I will be a rougher. Omukuku nipa, omusutu ton drugs inside of them. If I don't catch Germany, it's a problem. A president and I say a performance one. The same thing in Ghana. Who call US? Now call Bronx, who call Brooklyn now. A full of Africans, any immigrants. It is that was a now who Ghana. That means a mindset of people who are not educated. Because there are so many black neighborhoods. Our school. When you go to those places, when you clean and man koso, but uko sa neighborhood we say Brooklyn, Bronx, and Staten Island, some places no a ghetto, criminal activities, drug selling.
Take it back. Take it back. Now all Bronx are ghetto. Now all Staten Island are ghetto. No, there's nice neighborhoods.
Yeah, they're not. But
when you go to black community,
yes,
black community,
and American, it's because the person makes sure when they say a black your mentality. Because America, emra eye adwuma che bibia but ye wo ba bia emra ye adwuma ba bia emra ye adwuma no a black immigrant they are not educated and wo until that comes to show say Ghana majority of the people are not educated.
That's why
so you know why we have a nationwide problem because majority of the people are not educated and they see say there's an easy way to do things. Bro, Chadier, civil servants, only a government officials. No.
Normal civil servants.
Yeah, civil servants, normal people. They are not government officials. But Sanko for no bribe to be our Ghana. But I want to say, they work for the government. What can you say, Nando? Sa bribe no more decision or opposition. Civil servants, what was our register a company? What was our FD? What you say, no, we see how much. That's all you say, Sanko for no. Only citizens to say, almost no Ghana. We have to fix ourselves. All I'm saying is we don't fix a problem from the top. We fix a problem from the bottom.
You see, you fix yourself, okay?
Yeah.
When you are the leader, you fix yourself now. You fix it. Again, also.
You see, when you are a president, right? I'm not for again say, I'm confronting someone to fix your one. They use force and press down on people. Make sure say I hear law on this street, right? Okay. My mom, simple example. Right now, you're pressing law need here Juma. Mami be ask one the basa on koton. Adio
yeah.
What Geneva? Does the country have the institutions? So wait,
stop there. So the leader now, Oka president
yeah.
Before so obey say obey force obey and force law. Again also we understand. They should be
prisons, communities, child care, everything.
The whole thing what you said, we the last. We are not doing the right thing.
The right thing.
The baby
yeah, Jimmy, thank you.
But there should be punishment.
There should be punishment. Child labor, Kwano, we are almost every person. You can't pass it,
okay. I want also to see some dance say the GOB by the next.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Let me shout. Let me shout.
Mami Musa, Busa the marking. Esa Oba Ghana. on chia sika Emma, baby, and the process and normal move faster than the normal person. Busano.
Very good.
Or you need all kind of credit, or all kind of credit. Busano.
Very good. Mama Ghana, 6 weeks. You put lances. You do not put
Charlie. Who? Master, I mean, any power of Casasa, ASM running here, man. Only license and for drive for Ghana. Or the car go, Mrs. Sia, not only by Pony Banua, or Papa Chiesi Kama police for. And let's also.
I think I agree with you.
Open power to us, and I'm going to his own way.
But that's him. It's not everybody.
Also, what are you way?
I don't do it. Me, I don't do anything. Me, I don't do anything.
Listen.
He is right. So there needs to be like institution.
Listen.
Okay, when you take somebody's shop from them, you have people to take care of them until the person fixes himself.
Bro.
Child labor, right here. There's another case. 9 years, they selling stuff on the street.
Let me finish, man. Listen, Mama Ghana, they say, you are talking about fixing yourself, fix the country. Okay, Mama Ghana, lances, you know lances,
You go get lances for one bribe.
Let's say I'm stopping.
You're going to pay with one bribe.
What I say, we do all officer, lances for how?
It's not no fiction.
And I'm going to station, and then I will say, station say, same one, meaning Koboy. Say, what person fix the country now? Maybe just stop it and make us say, a Komo, a million dinner person more be no. You will say, a Komo, the putting us is mature.
Thank you.
You understand? The whole issue now, I can all. Individual, let's say, I'm fixing on. I will say, government can fix it once. Because maybe you don't I'm stopping.
Yep.
I didn't think that traffic light is so red. Which one my show? Second car, one of them, but they let you a charge. What I say? It's maybe you honest that we need to say, we need to macho. Come, shame, and you may punish me. Oh, punish it. I'm thousands of people who say, I'm going to treat Camille last year channel. It's me who will treat our family lances. And then it should be going like that. But could you on my Joe, obviously, I didn't go to Jack. My set your more with a junior toy. Now, you understand? My but you also the whole thing of a Jumakessia. Because, like I said, Lord, the band was you not freezing the brave because they're from the Jimmy.
Thank you.
Hey, Jumakessia.
Hey, Dimongo.
Bro, what sense does it make? What sense does it make? Say you are running a country with democracy. About 60% of the people are not educated. Why would a good leader make the law so hard? Say they will need to build prisons. Instead, say the necessary thing is say, and run a bony panel mobile. Anybody who goes school to on TSA, it's the best thing you can do is to educate the people first.
That's
when you
right.
realize that the education level now so help you some level that means you cannot be ignorant. You should know the law. It's why should the leader? No, say Obianco. Why should the leader calm down on the people?
NBC.
Omnia performance as a dim knowledge repair. Usu nim send pano on the constitutional can on Timmy Reedy on Tiasie. It's the best thing another game say SOE and say SOE free education. For free education to take effective, it has to go on for about 20 years, 30 years, and someone who says our level of education, and only if you say who as a leader, who press it down on the people with the law, they have no excuse. But to see how can press it down, you have to build what do you call it, prisons. Some prisons now will build. How is it helping the nation?
Okay,
it's not helping the nation. Or say, or do traffic light casino. And the police need stop paying. And the police need to license way. And also boss mini license or do the kakra. Now you want police no man coin. So we are sad, now I'm be Jinahan can fix the nation and the problem. Me the subo, every police in Kwan. But who would be pana which you are bribe? Why now was I be Jinahan fix the country?
Okay, so
why did the police take it?
So, the whole thing is
no, it starts with the police. If it doesn't look right,
see, have I said, are there police near what? All I'm saying is that it takes two to commit bribery.
Police, you try every month. So on check is we made him but me in Tiamaka, same in Dimraso. Okay? So me, let's say I'm stopping. I'm talking about education now. and you will be a when you must be an onion. Meaning himself, last put out some other. Exactly. But I'm just lazy to go there to take the lances. What I say, you have to punish me for that. And I said, one fixing Huntino, but
how can you say you have to punish me for that? Who the pana will cast assembly? What doesn't I say to bribe?
Maybe
serious. The police should have denied it.
The police can say
who did original. Check. You're what original check it. Tio. Why are you doing? You're police in the car. Say Kojinaha. Check how many lances. So lucky. Obia do only lances. What I say? Wajikakra or alpha or something. Wajikakra. One man call. Who you would money? Who fixes the nation? The country. No. So you talking about me, no? Most part of this leaders massive. What I say?
Yes, bro. Let me tell you something. This country, I will never say the reason why leaders no almost said dear so what I say. And no maybe problem is say a quite leaders no first the leaders no. We are not choosing the right people. And the reason why we are not choosing the right people because delegates no, I want to pick him up parties no. Delegates na discussion no. I was na nado na atono, na nado na Oscar, Mahama na atono, na Mahama na Oscar. One can say Mahama na atono, Mahama a good leader. I want picking some for ni enwe no. No masa ma momo citizens no. I must have a mamu kakra. No masa vote ma no. What disika vote ya, what disika 50 cities. 50 cities na how long na 50 cities ma show. No one vote ya ma independent manafo because OJ say oya kani and our mom sika di ne. Oh yeah, na sa unipana unya power, kukromoti power. Esa ka opete the right person. Park was Indio about so many times. Ma try MDC with a Rollins anye Muslim pe. Ma try MPP with J Kofo Muslim pe. Ma try NDC with Mills Muslim pe. Ma sa try Mahama Muslim pe. Na Nadu do Muslim pe. Ma mu na chances. I think I won't try a different person, different party. Why?
Now, bro,
when you try a different party,
that's all I'm saying. Abolish NPP and NDC.
Bro, me two man another. My first time I vote, you not put up two man another. Wait, not checking me history. I have never said me a MPP. I only voted for Nanado because say Nanado I introduced free education. I didn't know person here no. None say won tiase, say won to constitution, say ain't me come baby ah. It means that the foundation and the beginning of fixing the country is giving education. That's the beginning. And I win bro. E dey ben Nanado ain't me nyina. Nanado cannot do it. Self free education no bro for it to be effective no. Ye enya Nanado emery. Enya only about the next time. About 30 years from now. Okay. The Pacha give me one project. Ghana for started 30 years ago. I put a swab so. I did the results right there. I did what I say. Sure. See, free education will be that form. Manenda form. The next 10 years, Ombetina Kunyaso. What I say.
Why 10 years?
Who parents? So who parents?
Let me ask you a question.
Bro, I'm in so who parents? Bro, in the first room. I could school. What I say. As a parent, do you know why? Because in life, in here more than so first room. What I say. And to all parents, want to control, but as someone to nephew, one man I first room, or first room, we have a phone. Ujina ho echa e dey to internet so e dey access shempala ne bre o money into ucha video no and inso the far back one aka yen dey.
But that wasn't the parent. That wasn't the parent. That was somebody else.
No, I'm just saying. All the video any parents. Many MPP. No, many MPP. I'm just telling you.
I want you to talk
because MPP.
That's it.
Because also we try.
Bro. I said yeah, I care about Ghana moving forward. No. Party out to soon.
Travel. I mean,
classroom be a glass. And I form no I don't need I because what's the dimension I say? It's money in Jerry.
It's low, no, billions of places.
I like the way I said. we're fixing on that. Professor Wakasa, move your hey, who defend the NPP party?
Thank you. That's my problem.
Asama American.
Because they all cannot.
Asama NPP. Asama American. Say Nana the free so. Na Mahama ba. Honestly, it takes place the same thing. You are missing the point. It's not even about the picture. It is about the fact. Say, leader na on boa obana musuo na eco school. Why should you put yourself in that predicament? I didn't say so more about school.
Right, bro.
A jari coach from the school.
Bro.
So what they say, Obana that for no. Obana or that for more ocean. Say so bad. It's any mabani trophy. Said before our school.
So why did Nana say he was going to fix all this stuff and he didn't fix it?
Bro, I can tell you, say
because selling the balance of the year within the first 2 years, you see a difference.
Can I ask you something, bro? The pacho.
What you learn, you do nothing.
Just say yes or no. The pacho, say free education.
Free education,
right? Can they provide better structures? Any Nkonya for all the schools in Ghana at once?
They can't.
You can't.
I
want to say, a quiet way, a quiet way, a quiet way, the pacho. One of them Chief, can he fix all the roads at the same time?
No, he cannot do at the same time. Chief, that one I agree with you 200%. He cannot fix everything at the same time. But we have to see improvements. Like the MPs, they come, they get the vote. Look, some MPs just built a wooden bridge. All this money they gave you. 21st century, 64 years of independence.
Bro.
They are building a fucking wooden bridge.
Bro.
Come on, wake up.
I mean, listen. Ungratefulness.
Oh.
You see the ungratefulness. Let me tell you something. Sa MP no. On to me, and see sa bridge no. East Legon, one man kuntia. Because East Legon no, taxes a homeowner your friend is saying, sika omuchi a man to cry no. And the way a neighborhood say Oko neighborhood there, and we a very good woman because taxes omuchi no, it was high, and they use the money to develop. Ghana the entisa, Ghana yenna tax boom, right? But bro, Babia, Sikabe free abano. A whole nice abide focus first. Ultimately, the only thing they said, clean water, ensure clean. And the basic needs, as Obia say right now, Obia so no free Ghana, and they are wrong.
What about hospitals?
Hospitals, you cannot provide best hospitals for every year. But bro, I'm also asking, me busa no other corners why. Now, the patrol hospitals they work America. Nina here Abandia.
Debbie, and then you know Abandia. But then say Abandia also media. And so some people call labor, not other form. 21st century, 61st of independence. Abba. It is kind of the thing now, then here. No, and that's my question. No, World Bank National, then here. Muhu leaders, Muhu hospitals. I'm not for that form. Or because next one because some children. Say what for that fuel train. Out there she or he. Or because of you have to give them all the good things you have to give to them. Take good care of them. Because when people don't want what is some very future leader. So like I said, that hospital part and look at the any so feel a man for the moon. So like I said, and then I was saying they come together. So like I said, come together. I know it's going to take time to fix Ghana. It's going to take time, maybe years. But we have to see improvement. Misinformation, we did this, we did that, we did that. No job created. Why? That's what people are robbing each other. So what I say, and yet, I was so me a baby. Not promoting system. Obedient with me for 1 month, I'm a trader Ghana. How is he supposed to survive? Oh, I'm back. I'm not sure I'm back. But yet, no, I'm almost one this guy. And then so-called celebrities.
Bro, we are living. As soon as we buy that camera, and then the crowd, hospitals, government hospitals, it's like the best. Because can't share this money. But all I'm saying, I put them become private, Private, only yet now, boy or mine. What I say now, my hospitals are doors, and I'm a now, Shadio, citizens, Yen Jane Ghana as a whole. obi e vote a vote person mi kumnya vote. So who vote because say obi e asantini a personal interest.
Like you said that asantini I believe.
What
that's stupid.
Who vote because obi ama usika e wa personal bro the NBA say you say he who seeks equity must come with clean hands.
Clean hands.
What to me and what to me je bribe. What to me give 50 cities and go vote for the wrong leader. Why would we say let's fix the country? How can we fix the country?
Thank you. That one I agree with you. What lie? I agree with you that one. I agree with you that one.
What
like the people how many years would that feed you? People need to wake up, man. Because Obimba, if somebody comes to lead you with the right mind, with a good intention, I swear to God, with this person I'm fasting, he will not give you bribe. Let me go free.
Bro. You ever kind of said?
So it's my say.
You ever kind of said?
Because later, Oba will do the intention. You won't give no bribe. You'll tell what you want to do for
them. They kind of say.
And then they'll vote for you for what you want to do for them. But if you give them bribe, that means you are going to steal.
Yeah. They kind of say, you were a Usiabu sign, if I say, you are signing see what governors, government of Ghana, what I say. Say, I'm signing a weaker, you're starting free show. You're starting free foundation. The same thing so that before a president in the MPC this I know money now. Not power no e form. What I say. It's from now on the next 4 years everyone. I see things sign arguing when you vote here. I see voting for the right people.
Bobium.
What I say.
Bobium.
Right people. Not try MPP. Not try say what won't try vote for.
Yeah, abolish MPP NDC. Let's
go so vote MPP because we are something. Who does vote NDC because we are a
bro,
what's it? How can we change?
Bro, I was there. You are crying, like I said. It's what kind of dead. Who couldn't run us one? Maybe it's so far. Can't go to me because someone has a call on one. I'm not your way growing. It's someone at 10 cities from over to one. Sample for you, not you, a combo. It's for yearning, because I'm not chilling. Edging said, Sa Kubutuma will be with my money in the Becoso. It's about so be always company the Beco into your minor situation, you know, and then any bit in the term. The bit in the Akasaka was booty.
It's almost a fix the country, man. And to the bend.
Oh, we are doing fixing booty.
It's the people of China said, bro, idea. Omo moon crass one. Omo facing the real and when your data, all the other share will be organ, all the other share will be a Facebook, our Casa, the market, our Casa. A common no, because the common one has 2 seasons over to credit. What I say, the person would tell me, say, Omo brand, a Omo more in crass. Some conformers soon a door soon of Ghana.
Sure.
Omo the door soon of Ghana. Omo the dictates say, why never rain anyone area. What I say, it's some of us see a solving problem now. Any Ghana for so Oba area school. Na say, who is Obano, Owe JSS, no among men for saying it's an uncle SS because Obia Beko school, Mama try vocation and technical school, and San Jumano, and the Bema Omaniama, Omabe companies, am I getting most of unemployment? Bro, unemployment, a Colombia, America, on community, private sectors, and for more than government. And so Ghana, the percent government and the far independent now.
Yo, Cecilia, I'm here meeting no other
private sector.
Hiya, straight up.
You good because I know the government doesn't have to do anything by itself. The rich people too, they can do it, but they are so greedy and selfish. They won't help out,
bro.
So they go to a big company. I employ people and put them there. But who they also that the Range Rover, G-Wagon, who yashi. So I said. Scaffold some big companies, normal. They said, what you call it, Melco, great company.
Yeah.
Vodafone, he has employed people. We have heard of the rich people, but they won't do it.
They won't do it.
They want to buy an expensive car and big house.
Bro, maybe I saw a chair be our shares. Yeah.
Alright, guys, that's this is your boy JB Dimungu. I am barber shop. I spend Dimungu grooming. I watch you. We drew a Perez dome. Na umeki a light, umeki left our lights na sana. Opposite First Atlantic Bank. and I'm more perfect touch with the same lane with perfect touch. And so open hair cutter with number open visual Fridays no there be a week number what I say. I actually do the whole week with number. Yeah 9 a.m. already be a man so with number through why. But I'm now was.
Oga say hair cutter e bi na isi amabe no. What I say. We here the red Germany straight up. No visa. What else? We try here be more yes. Oh. You know that my brother I'm meyi muti wa ase enko agwan baba hobi amano nko so tre ho e say life na ba oh e plus say me mom share that die ha kakra do it's Ghana de enye Ghana de enye ma share that bagana ha no akoko nkurase kasa ne kasa ma share na make bi he what Ghana krom ha no mo a Ghana o say
nanka was 7 and
so
I can show new techniques because he's wearing he has a dreadlocks. Yeah. So people don't know anything about this. You see?
Okay. I'm in class. I'm in class. Yes.
Because with the threat, you know, this is have to hold.
Royal problem. Yeah. Oh, Ghana, no problem.
Say any periphone.
Say that.
A periphone.
Next time mobile.
Bro.
Yeah, man.
Bro.
Right.
I don't even know. The bay I see.
Everything's from the States.
Yeah. Boy, when you feel you know, jaja rough, when you boy, when you feel Bernard Cross, you know, jaja. So, yeah, the BBS, what I say, we are the Mad King. Yes, the Mad King. Hey, Kojon Kansan, when I see you, bro, I will be a child. Yeah, so, Ghana, not yet. Any Sana will be say for an casempa, and if for an casempa, and Ukraine Americano. Boy, bit US, Trini Jonas, or say Ghana, a fool. Say a fool and woeful. I done quiet. What I say, Ghana, a quiet. They say update, you know, and ya dear baby, Mashada call left to right. A nipana na Jebika Sembi. A nipana Ghana, Crum Hanakasana, Ajenya Papa. Because much oh, a nipa na ti Ghana krom ha no o say education